Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function dict. Hi everyone. Welcome back to another Python quick guide. Today, we're talking about the built-in Python function dict. It's one of the most versatile and frequently used functions in Python. Let's break it down. First, what is dict? The dict function is used to create dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries are a core data type that store key-value pairs, similar to a real-world dictionary. Here's the syntax. Let's break it down. The dict function can be called with no arguments to create an empty dictionary. You can pass keyword arguments, a mapping object like another dictionary, or an iterable of key-value pairs to initialize it. Any additional keyword arguments will be added to the resulting dictionary. So why use the dict function? It provides a flexible way to create and populate dictionaries dynamically. Here are a few key concepts. Dictionaries are mutable and unordered collections of key-value pairs. Keys must be immutable, like strings, numbers, or tuples, but values can be any type. The dict function makes it easy to convert other data structures into dictionaries. You would use dict when creating empty or populated dictionaries dynamically, when you're converting data structures like lists or tuples into dictionaries, when using keyword arguments to initialize dictionaries, and when you're combining or extending existing dictionaries. Let's start with a simple case, creating an empty dictionary. Here, dict creates an empty dictionary equivalent to using curly braces. Now let's use keyword arguments to create a dictionary. Here the keys are the argument names and the values are their corresponding arguments. This is clean and readable. You can also create a dictionary from an iterable of key-value pairs, such as a list of tuples. This is great for transforming structured data into dictionaries. You can also use an existing dictionary or mapping object to create a new dictionary. Here, the original dictionary is extended with a new key-value pair. One last example. You can combine dictionaries with dict and unpacking. Here we have two dictionaries, dict1, dict2, that we combine using the dict function. This is a clean way to merge dictionaries dynamically. Before we wrap up, here are a few important notes. If you pass duplicate keys, the last value overwrites the previous one. If the keys in your iterable aren't unique, only the last occurrence will remain in the dictionary. Keyword arguments must be valid Python identifiers. And that's the dict function. To recap, it's a flexible way to create dictionaries dynamically. You can use keyword arguments, iterables, or mapping objects. It's perfect for working with structured data and dynamic key-value pairs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!